Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to the summer garden. We are out here looking for some cut flowers once again, and we are going to be making a marigold cut flower arrangement. Now it's the hottest part of summer, so I got a lot of heat loving things. Dahlias are kind of slow still because it's still too hot for those, but we're going to make something with these beautiful marigolds. Now these are technically dwarf bedding marigolds. Ideally, I'd like to have some for cut flowers, the taller type, but I just didn't order the taller type this year. But luckily, marigolds are pretty tough. I know for a fact that I can cut these stems real low at the base, and all the branches and leaves and everything will take up water just fine. They will be perfect for a cut flower arrangement. Marigolds also have an amazing vase life. The only drawback is that some varieties can definitely be a little bit stanky. And by stanky, I mean they stink. They can stink pretty bad. A lot of people don't like them. I personally don't mind them. So as long as these sit kind of away from me and I can't smell them directly, I'm not offended by them. It just all comes down to your own personal preference, I suppose. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is I am going to pick some marigolds. I can't remember the name of this mix. I think it might have just been called the Cracker Jack mix. This was a gift I got from somebody. Honestly, don't even remember where this packet of seed came from. But irregardless, the flowers are looking really nice and vibrant. After I had picked the marigolds, I just put them in my vase and kind of arranged them around. You'll notice that I left most of that green foliage on there because that green foliage is going to fill up the vase quite nicely and we'll have to use less flowers. So that's always a good thing. After I've put the marigolds in, I'm going to head outside of my fence and grab some Bright Lights Cosmos. Sorry I didn't take you guys out there with me. It's just traffic was bad. It was hot. I didn't feel like dealing with it, honestly. Put them in the vase with the marigolds. I really liked these because they are nice and tall, and those strong stems that give bouquets kind of a light, airy appearance, which I think it looks really nice because those stems will stay nice and strong and tall over everything else. Last but not least for this arrangement, I went out to the side yard, my driveway, one more time, and I grabbed some Amaranth. Now this is the Golden Giant Amaranth, and you might notice that the flower plumes aren't very big, and that's because I've spaced them very close together. Personally, here in the yard, it's better that I have smaller flower plumes when it comes to Amaranth because I do use them for cut flowers instead of for grain production. So that's why I plant them in clumps and get them to grow kind of closer together so we'll have smaller flower heads, which is really beneficial when we make our cut flower arrangements. I'm just going to put these in here, and that's going to be it for this one. Really, this one is so simple. It's only 3 flower ingredients, so to speak. 3 different flowers. They are all easily grown from seed, and they're all really able to withstand hot temperatures. So even if you are a total beginner cut flower farmer, gardener, whatever you are, you can make something look really, really gorgeous with some really, really simple and easy to grow flowers. I know this was a quick one, but that's about it. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. I'm always making new videos about cut flower gardens or vegetable gardens or DIY projects or really anything. So if you like a surprise, you might like this channel too. Hit subscribe, little bell icon, it'll give you a notification whenever I upload a new video. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.